Unveiling the secret. Understanding Lip Brush Applicator. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in the world of beauty and cosmetics. Lip Brush Applicator. Stick around as we break down what this phrase means, why it's used, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First, let's dissect the phrase, lip brush applicator, into two parts to understand its meaning better. A lip brush is a small, precise brush used specifically for applying lipstick or lip gloss more accurately than using the product directly from the tube. The term applicator refers to a tool or device designed for applying something. Together, lip brush applicator describes a tool designed specifically for the precise application of lip color products. Why is a lip brush applicator important, you might ask? For makeup enthusiasts or professionals, precision is key. Using a lip brush applicator allows for a more controlled and precise application of lip color, enhancing the shape and volume of the lips. It's especially useful for achieving detailed makeup looks or when working with bold lip colors that require exactness to avoid smudging. Not all lip brush applicators are created equal. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific use. Some are pointed for defining the lip line, while others are flat and wide for filling in color. When choosing a lip brush applicator, consider what type of lip product you're using and the look you're aiming for. High-quality brushes can make a significant difference in application ease and the final appearance of your lip makeup. Understanding the term lip brush applicator not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into the precision required in makeup application. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase and its significance in the beauty world. Remember, whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, knowing these specific terms can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content soon.